Nestled in a valley between rolling green hills, a quaint village basks in the sunlight. In her colorful cottage garden, Luna stands, her bright eyes fixed on the heavens through her telescope. Surrounded by blooming flowers, she listens to the sounds of birds chirping. Luna sleeps soundly in her cozy bedroom, lost in a world of dreams. Dream bubbles rise above her, filled with fluffy cloud creatures and twinkling stars. Soft moonlight spills through the window, casting a gentle glow upon her face. Luna floats upward with Nimbus, a cloud of stardust, soaring into the night. Luna gasps, her eyes widen as she sees the deep blues and purples. Nimbus declares, "Luna, the Cloud Carousel is stuck. Only someone brave like you can help." Luna's voice trembles. "Me? But I've never fixed a carousel before." Nimbus reassures her. "Just believe in yourself. Come with me." The Cloud Carousel hangs motionless in the night sky, its usual symphony of laughter replaced by an eerie silence. Eliphuff, Giraffaloof, and Bunny Bounce stand frozen, their joyless forms casting long shadows across the muted sky. The absence of laughter and light paints a somber portrait of the once joyful carousel, now a silent sentinel in the night. Luna kneels, her fingers tracing the cold, metallic base of the carousel. She finds a tiny storm cloud concealed beneath the gears. The storm cloud cries, "I'm sorry. I was just trying to dance, and I made thunder." Luna reassures the cloud. "It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Let's fix it together." Luna and the small, grumpy-looking storm cloud work side by side. They patch clouds with rainbow tape. With a surge of bravery and a whirlwind of tenderness, the Cloud Carousel awakens, stirring to life once more. The enchanted carousel twirls faster, painting the heavens with melodies and joy. The carousel illuminates, and a vibrant rainbow curves gracefully overhead. Nimbus watches, hope filling his eyes, as Luna restores joy to the night sky. "You did it, Luna. You believed in yourself and made the sky smile again." Luna, filled with newfound confidence, embraces Nimbus, her heart soaring with gratitude. "Thank you. I think I can do anything now." Luna waves farewell as she gently descends on a cloud pillow, a serene smile gracing her face. Luna awakens, her hair dusted with stardust, a tiny rainbow nestled beneath her pillow. She sits up, a smile gracing her lips as a soft sparkle glows nearby. Outside, clouds form whimsical shapes of Eliphuff and Bunny Bounce, painting the morning sky with magic.